Common mistakes when installing flooring, moisture-related problems, and how to avoid them. The importance of dry subfloors, warping and buckling, adhesive failures, mold and mildew, subfloor moisture management, skipping moisture testing, using incorrect testing methods, using equipment incorrectly, failing to consider seasonal changes, ignoring manufacturer guidelines, how to properly test subfloor moisture, select the right meter for your subfloor, check the meter's calibration, perform multiple tests and make a moisture map, check against acceptable moisture levels, and address moisture issues. Benefits of using Tramex moisture meters: non-destructive, speed and efficiency, versatility, suitable for various subfloor materials.